Hi guys, we are back again with another Walt Life for October. This time we got neutral 18 plus, except for classic where you can't pick your gender or your age group. They just send you a box full of stuff. So let's get going.
Yes, this is like our what team box?
I don't even know because we do like several in the video,
True.
so we don't even know anymore. But we're just pretty much doing this for the E, so we might cancel after this if we don't get the E.
Yeah,
So we'll see.
the Ian Walt life.
Yeah.
So we can get a trip to Disney. All right, so this is the classic $30.99 box. It's like the size of a shoebox. They all are. All right. Let's see. First things first is a bracelet set, and it's the pumpkin, the nightmare before Christmas. So it's like one little skull kind of one, and then one that reads the Pumpkin King, and the other one is how now and forever.
Yes, and if you don't know, Vimeo is having like a bunch of actors do a live reading of Nightmare Before Christmas. So you might want to look that up because it's for charity.
It's it's 5 bracelets. There's 2 little ones in between those, so you see them.
This is just in time for
Yeah.
Halloween.
So yeah, little Halloween box. All right. Then we have a Vampirina little baggie. So this is for like it's like a candy bag for kids for trick or treat.
Which some of you guys may be trick or treating at home right now.
Yeah.
I'm trying to stay safe. And also, there's Trick or Treat for UNICEF online this year. If you want to be involved in that.
And then there is a Jack journal. No Jill.
That's because in Nightmare Before Christmas, there's only a Jack.
I don't know.
Everybody was seeing Nightmare Before Christmas.
A little journal.
It comes on like 85 times right now.
Don't ever watch it.
It is amazing.
I maybe watched it when I was a kid. I don't remember it though. And then these are the Jungle Book concept. I don't know what this is.
So these are postcards, you guys. She doesn't know what a postcard is. That's not her fault. It's her age. So these are concept art. So concept art is pretty much when they draw up little ideas of what they think the movie's going to look like before they actually animate the whole thing. So, yeah.
Oh, cool.
So they're both from the Jungle Book.
Earrings too. I forgot. And it looks like they go with the bracelet, or they could because it kind of matches that
like
first little
earrings.
bracelet. Yeah.
I know you would like those too. You like skulls.
Yeah. All right.
So for $30 for $30.99, you got the journal, 2 postcards, the Vampirina bag,
and earrings and bracelet.
So knowing what I know about this, and this is actually worth more than $30.
Wonderful.
Yes, and they got something for everybody. Even though it's 18 plus, you can still should give the bags to your kid and the journal to your kid. So,
all right, moving right.
I'm keeping the earrings for me.
That was a classic box. This is the magic box, which is priced at $39.99, and neutral
18 plus.
18 plus. 18 years and older. I'm gonna pull these out. I'll start with just the first one since I already have it out. The first one is a visor, a Mickey visor. Y'all know I have a big head, so let's see if it fits my head. Barely. No, but it has adjustable straps in the back, Velcro. So yeah.
Sorry guys, I keep making that noise.
And that was like the smallest setting. So if you have a huge head, it'll fit you just fine.
Right. I like the design on that. That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
All right. So once again, we have the Nightmare Before Christmas bracelet set. We have the Nightmare Before Christmas earrings. We have a Nightmare Before Christmas keychain. I actually really do like the jacket on that because it has a stitch for the lips.
Well, that's what that is, a jacket.
Yes. And I think that was all that came in this box.
Did we get a letter in the first one?
No, you don't get a letter for the plastic.
Don't get a letter for the
plastic. They've done it by mistake a couple times, but.
And that's the M. We already got an M. We want our E. I keep telling her RE is somewhere in Africa.
Yes.
Ain't no that's how they do the McDonald's when they used to have the Monopoly pieces. Like you get Park Place, but the other one, what's the other one? The blue one?
The Boardwalk.
Boardwalk. That'd be somewhere in China. You ain't never gonna get it.
Netflix has thing called HBO has a thing called McMillions, and it tells you how people scam the McDonald's game. Ooh. So watch that. It's pretty good.
Yeah.
But I actually like that. I like the Magic Box. They did a pretty good job with that box.
So this is the Magic Plus, priced at
$49.99. So $10 more. Let's see what you get for $10 more.
What do we get for $10 more with that one? The visor.
The visor. We didn't get a journal. We didn't get a bag. But we got the keychain.
Yeah.
And I'll be having pictures of all this stuff on our Instagram site with a list of everything that was in the box.
Cool. This I have no idea what this is. A Constance Hatchaway figure.
This is from the Haunted Mansion.
Mm.
I love that. So pretty. I love the Haunted Mansion. That's such a good movie. Eddie Murphy doing this thing.
So what does it do? It's just like a little bobblehead thingy? Okay.
It's a collectible.
Gotcha. Same the jewelry again, the same earrings, and same bracelet.
Okay, so we got some concept art of 101 Dalmatians. This is the Cruella de Vil, one of my all-time favorites. I love the fact that Wendy played her.
So what you supposed to do with a postcard?
You put a stamp or you mail it to somebody.
Like why though? Like you can't even
you could just have a short message.
Okay.
And then
I don't want everybody reading my message. I mean, but I guess.
From A Princess and the Frog. I forgot the bad guy's name, but he is the bad guy, and I actually loved him because he has people connections on the other side. So you gotta love him. He's into voodoo. That's why some people didn't like the movie because it's like you finally get a black princess and it's all about voodoo.
If I knew voodoo, I'd be into it too. It's not always bad. It can be used for good things.
No, they have the same saints as Christians.
Yeah, exactly.
But yes, we have another Jack head. I don't know if I would say. Because, I mean, we still got the same thing. The only thing we got different was the pop. And if you're not a fan of the Haunted Mansion, that pop's not going to really matter anything to you.
We ain't get no letter?
Yeah, it's a W. We got W's in both of these. That's why I ain't say nothing. And you got the 2 postcards, which you got with the other one. So the only thing that's different was the pop. And if you're not into the Haunted Mansion, it doesn't matter to you. So once again, the Magic Plus has kind of been a bust lately.
Yeah, we thought that the last time.
Yeah, because it gave us a $5 book for $10 more.
And that was
$49.
That was $49.99. This is the Kingdom box. This is like the big one, and this is $79.99. So $80.
Neutral 18 plus. I'm telling you right now, it was a light for being 18 plus.
Let's see what we got.
All right. So also, it's a Nightmare Before Christmas.
How does 18 plus? That look like it's for a baby.
A bottle sweater.
Oh, that's not for a baby.
I love that. It's all like a smash because
That's hilarious.
Because you guys know from that movie that Jack was trying to take over Christmas because he wanted to celebrate a whole new holiday.
That's hilarious.
Yes, he was tired of only doing Halloween and Halloween Town. He wanted something new, so he tried to take over Christmas, and he ended up giving kids like skulls and stuff for Christmas, not knowing how Christmas was supposed to work. So this is actually pretty cool. I like this.
So you could put this over like a Jack Daniels, and then be at the family function,
and your bottle's decorated, and they
don't know what you drink.
And on top of that, it's an ugly Christmas sweater.
They're like,
too.
oh, it's so whole time you're faded.
Yeah, and you can wear this all throughout the holidays. Halloween, Christmas, put this on. Okay? Put this on
I've never seen a bottle sweater. That's hilarious.
I love it.
Also, if you have a very tiny newborn, you can. It's like.
I better not see this on nobody's dog. If I see it on your dog, I'm gonna fight you. Do not put that on your dog.
I don't think it'll fit on a little dog. Who knows?
Another bracelet set.
Same one in everyone.
Yeah, same hat. Same earrings. So we know what somebody's stocking stuff are gonna be. Oh, same keychain. Yeah. Did you see a letter here? Dang it. I thought it was an E, it's an F. Rat bastards. I think she's right.
Look, that's how they do. Otherwise, people be winning everything out here. They put the other one, they put like 10 of them out on another side of the world. You never see it.
Okay, so these are Minnie Mouse gloves.
They mini gloves too. Oh no, they stretching.
So, and then they have the top part right here
to make them into mittens. I love a glove that you can do things, you know, because sometimes you gotta pick up the coin or tap something, or your phone, like your password could be your fingerprint. So I love those, but that's cool.
Right, because it has a bow, and then of course I showed you guys the button, which is the Minnie Mouse emblem. Now the whole thing is that this is a neutral box, so a dude will be getting this, and you know it's gonna end up in some chick stocking stuffer. I'm gonna tell you right now, if you a chick and you didn't agree on a price for your gift, and this ends up in your stocking stuffer, no, you the side chick.
Y'all better not be being no side chicks out here.
Okay. Some women for make them feel better about
it ain't worth it. Well, I don't know.
Yeah, but I actually like these gloves. Do I think this box was worth $80 for the beer cozy, the drink sweater? I think this drink sweater was cute. I never really seen one of those before. I think it's very interesting. I like the hat. The earrings were all repeat earrings, the bracelet, and I really like the gloves. How much would gloves go for?
I don't know about Disney. You can get them for like $5 without it being Disney, but because it's Disney, I'm sure it's probably $12.
I'm sorry, $16.99. So this is $16.99. This doesn't have a price on it. This doesn't have a price on it either. This, they kill me. No price. No price. And this is $14.95. So these two together are like $30. So that means I have to come up with another $40 for a pair of earrings, a bracelet, a keychain, and a hat.
I mean, with Disney probably, but
yes, I'm thinking you're barely scratching $85 here. Barely.
I'm telling you, you're better off just going to a Disney store and getting exactly what you want for $80.
Yeah, I would say that
because you're not getting a steal. You're getting what they decide to give you for practically the same amount.
So I was
money as far
they're not
of what it's worth.
They're not really saving you anything if you get the box. You just get,
and that's like the point of a box. Save me some money if I can't pick what I want.
Right. And the fact that this was a neutral box and I got Minnie Mouse gloves. If you were a dude and you got the neutral, you kind of
that's true. That's a good point.
Upset.
I didn't consider that. That's a good point.
So to me, out of all the boxes, I would say Magic was probably the one that was worth the most amount of money, like it was the last time.
Yeah.
Unless you like the Haunted Mansion, the Pop, and the Magic Plus isn't going to matter to you. And the other one, I mean, it's really cute with the little ugly sweater. But I mean, most of the stuff that you wanted or you like were in the other boxes. You could have spent less money. So if you're going to go with this one, go Magic. We'll discuss whether or not we're going to do another one. And I'll let you guys know in the comments below because we didn't get an E this time.
She gonna get that E.
It's driving me crazy. We got every other letter.
We need to follow her.
Yes.
subscriber in Africa or China or
if you
somewhere on
watch
the other side of the world.
If you watch us and you have an E, let us know. We got like
holla at your girls.
Yes, holla at your girls. We got every other letter except for we have extra every other letter except I and L. Other than that, we got you. Call us. We'll call you. So, you want me to do it?
Yeah, because I'm off today.
So, like, comment, subscribe below. Ask any questions. We will answer them in our next video. In life, there's black and white. But with us, you always get
a shade of gray.
There you go.